Hello, I just wanted to show you how you can upload documents into Moodle. So, first of all, I'm going to go to the course overview and introduction and scroll down. And as you can see, all of these are links. And, you can edit those as well, but uh, we'll look at that later. Okay, so then here are the chapters. And I know that you wanted to upload your syllabus, maybe your course schedule, maybe change out the learning packet for documents that you use. And so here's how we do it. You just are going to click on any one of these items. And I'll go ahead and click on full syllabus because that's where we want to be. And then we're going to turn editing on. And once we've got the turn editing on, you can see we've got all kinds of little tools over here in our left-hand column. And so the one that is bolded is the one that is available to be manipulated. And you can see that I can use an arrow to move it up or down in my list of resources. The tool is what we're going to use to make changes to it. I can put it in the garbage. I can block it so that it can't be seen. And I can also hit the little star or the X, I guess. And that will add a new portal underneath so that I can add some stuff there. So first of all, let's see, let's just move it up. And now you can see that it's moved up ahead of policies. Under policies are all these little subtopics. And so it went above the next full topic. And let's bring it back down to where it was. Okay, here it is. So up or down. And then here we've got the will. And from the will, with editing turned on, this is what we do. Here I have my syllabus loaded up, and I just typed in click to view the 1301 course syllabus. I typed that in, but we're going to upload your syllabus here. So I'm going to get rid of it altogether. Well, first I want to show you that you can highlight it and do the unlink, which you can do when you do this. It always adds this this application to read the document to the student, and it just gets crazy. So I just like to highlight the whole thing and just start over. And so I'm just going to type that in. Okay, so I've got click here to read the course syllabus. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it. If I want, I can make it bold, or if I'd like, I'm going to highlight it again. I can bring down this arrow, do other things to it, underline it, strike through, center it, all of those tools right there. And I can also use the undo arrow. And if I come to this A with the down arrow, you can see that I can make it bigger. One problem with making it bigger is at some point it gets confused and it doesn't, you say make it bigger and it actually makes it smaller. So occasionally you do have to, under the A, just go back to paragraph, and that'll take you back to where you were. Okay, I kind of liked it bigger, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it like that. All right, I've still got it highlighted. Now I'm going to come up here in the tool menu and click the link. And when I click the link, it brings me up some options of things that I can do. And I can enter a URL if I want my student to be able to click on a YouTube video that I want them to watch. But what I'm wanting to do is to upload a document. So I'm going to go to my browse repositories. So I clicked on that, and then I'm going to upload a file. That's what it defers to. It will allow me to just go to one of my recent files that I've added recently and pull it up. Okay, but I'm going back to upload a file. Then I have to click choose a file. And of course, it just brings me into um, my documents, typically to the document that I went to most recently. So I'm going to go into 1301. That's what this shell is, and get my syllabus open. And I never upload anything in Word document. Occasionally I do if I want students to be able to follow what I've written and type underneath it. But for the most part, I don't want anybody manipulating any of the content. So I just upload a PDF. And here we are, we've got the PDF, and now it's uploaded, and it wants you to name it. And so I'm going to go ahead and upload the file. And now you can see I've got a live link right here. I'm going to save those changes. Okay, the thing that you need to remember is that when you've got editing turned on, it'll say that it'll have you click here to turn it back off. It must be editing turned on in order for you to manipulate this data. You can tell because all of these tools disappear when you're finished editing. Or if you go to another screen and you didn't return it to the off position, it'll look crazy. So that is how you do it. There's my syllabus. Here's the course schedule. So I've still got it in my manipulation mode. So I clicked on it and I still won't be able to change it up unless I select one of these items right here. So of course I'm going to go ahead and go with the tool, and then I would need to delete it and get the link and then upload the file that I wanted to use, and then just save the changes. And that is all you do. I'm going to turn the editing off here. And you can see that whatever is lit up is the portion of the book that you are in. And so it isn't difficult to do it all. And let's see, here's my instructor photo and information. I just typed this up in a Word doc and I pasted it in here. I'm going to go ahead and turn editing on. If I wanted to, I could change my picture. And again, we've got editing turned on, and we've got the instructor photo and biography. I've got to turn editing on there. And now I can just take this picture, and if there's no picture there at all, I can add a picture. Maybe that would be better for me to do than to delete a picture. So I'm trying not to mess up my course too badly here. Okay, so I want to upload a picture of me. So I need to come across here and say, I need a picture that is available here. I can also do a little video that my students can watch. I think it can't be any more than 2 minutes, or record myself explaining something. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and pardon me, here I'm going to upload a video I've already recorded, and here I can record a video live. Okay, so I'm going to go to my pictures, and I don't have a URL for it. I'm going to get that from my computer. I need to upload a file and choose a file. And then I'm going to go into my pictures, and as you can see, my desktop is just so full of stuff. I really need to clean it up, but I'm going to upload this picture of me and my husband. And so once I get it in there, I have to be able to name it, and I never name it anything too detailed because I'm the only one who can read it. All right. And then I'm going to say upload this file, the picture. It asks for me to describe it again. Again, I just make it brief. This is an ADA compliant, so that a student who was unable to see could know what picture is there. And you can also click, this image is just decorative. It's not pivotal to the learning process. Okay, if I were to say save the image now, that Moodle page would be ginormous. It's 900 right here, and that is too big. I usually start with about 250, it'll automatically auto size the bottom width. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And now I've got two pictures there. All right, and then I say, do not want this picture anymore. My editing's still on, so I can click on this picture. I can actually just hit the backspace and get rid of it. Okay. Uh, I hope that was helpful. Oh, hang on. We did also have a question. Okay, I'm going to save these changes. And we had a question about syllabus. So not syllabus, your curriculum vitae. So I'm going to click on my courses. And one of my courses is my name, CV Valerie, and you should have the same thing. And you click on that. And this is going to be easier to edit. It's old school. Here we just click the edit button and type in things we need to know, add a picture. And they do want you to have a picture added here in your CV. And then you can upload your CV, or if you want, you can post it like this, and then post your current syllabi, and that's what you do. And of course, if we wanted to add another document, we just drag and drop it. So hang on. Let's see. I'm going to go, I'll just go into 1301 again, and I'll say yes. No one is complete to see my CV without coursework in the gradebook. I'm going to drop that file right here. And then up it comes. And why it's a JPEG, I'll never know. Oh, it was a picture to begin with. So that is perfect. But I can also manipulate it. I can hide it, duplicate it, delete it, move it so that it's above or in the middle of these sections. So I'm going to go ahead and delete it because I don't need that. Delete the file. Okay, so that is all that you do. One more thing, you can create a new section. You know, you can have a section, like student papers, and then, explain it. Here are some sample student papers from 1301, and then I create this section. And then I can go to that section and drag and drop some documents. I don't know why I'd want to do that. I just was showing you that you could. If you decide, you know what, I do not need this section at all. What was I thinking? Just hit the X and you can get rid of it. Okay. All right. I hope that that's helpful. Let me know if you don't understand it, and I can come by the school. I hope you're doing well. I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, wait, I didn't stop yet. First, I have to stop the recording. I haven't made a Zoom in a long